Alrighty guys, in today's video we're gonna have a quick look at importing Remnant for your new sheet. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. So now we've already looked at adding custom dimensions and also choosing stock ones. Now we're going to quickly look at adding a remnant. So if we go here to new sheet and we go to our stock, we will see underneath this, it's grayed out, and we've got import remnant. So now if you choose one of these sizes, you will see suddenly it becomes available. So this is great for using the remaining material on that from a previous project. So then you can simply import it as a DXF file, select it, and then it'll open the actual remaining parts what's left. You import it and then you can work off that. So yeah, just a quick recap. So what you can do is you can use remaining parts of a previous project, simply import it, and then yeah, you go from there. But yeah, otherwise that is it on importing a remnant. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will find that we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.